site today replacing these limit flow switches. Have a go at this one. So what we're doing today is pulling off the old limit switches and the plugs. We're gonna replace the limit switches and then reinstall them. We've got 9 ground bins to do today, so I'm setting up a bit of a production line. We're gonna get these glanded up. All right, glands are on, let's change these arms. All right, they're all ready to go. Sandy's starting to terminate one off right now. Alright, we've had a good day. We've replaced 9 flow sensors here on site, installed and tested, ready to go. Let's go!